Today, for my how-to project, we're gonna learn how to bake a cake with my amazing apron. So come here. First, step one of baking a cake. You gotta preheat your oven to bake the cake, obviously. So what you wanna do, hit bake. Make sure it's set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and press stop. So here are the ingredients that you need to bake your cake. Ready? First, we got some cake mix. Ooh, yes. And then we got 3 eggs, vegetable oil, 1/3 cup measuring thing, I don't know, and 1 cup measuring thing, whatever. And I'll show you what to do right now. So first thing, we're gonna add our cake mix into the bowl. So let's do that. Make sure you get all of it out. Next, we're going to pour vegetable oil into our 1/3 cup measuring thingy-majig. Be careful not to spill it, because I might. There we go. Add it into your cake mixture. And then we are going to get our 1 cup measuring and put some water in it. Give me a second. Okay, again, be careful not to spill it. I am a very clumsy man. There we go. We got water. And now we crack our 3 eggs. Make sure no shells fall in. Make sure you keep a trash can nearby. It's gonna get very messy. Yes. Number 3. There we go. I probably should have counted. Okay, so next we get our bowl full of our ingredients. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of. And we put it into. There's this thing to get out the way. I lost my instructor. So. Make sure it's on there tight, or very devastating things will happen. So what I like to do is lock it first. That's right. Stir it for like, I say 15 seconds. Counting in my head. Not counting in my head. Say that's 15 seconds. Then what I like to do is make sure you get all the mixing down, because the cake powder will stick to the sides, and you do not want that. You want every last piece of what you can get. And put it back in, lock. And what you do, let's say we go for 6, so I get everything in there nice and good. For 2 minutes, you let this stir. So, how funny. So, in addition, wow, that is mixing over there. We are going to take our non-stick baking spray and spray it on our pan, so our cake does not get stuck to it. We do not want that. That's beautiful. See that? Nice and non-sticky. So now we continue waiting for this to finish. Let's go. Our batter looks about done, so I'm going to turn it off and unlock it. Why'd you just laugh at my presentation? I'm keeping this part in for your information. Okay. So now we want to make sure we get all this excess cake batter into our little more cake batter, I guess is that what I can call it. And get all the sides down. Yep, okay. And I really know where to put this, so I'll put that right there. And we get our bowl of batter from the thing, if I can even do it. There we go. And we pour it into our 13 by 9 pan. I was forced to say that, so make sure we get it all around. I don't know if you can see my awesome cake pour skills, but yeah, some people say I'm a chef. Let me move this stupid, how can I say stupid? Let me move this nice mixer. And see all that extra batter? We gotta get that all out. Every single thing needs to be, we gotta remember those poor children in other world countries. This is gonna take a lot longer than I think to get all the batter out.
One eternity later.
Now, once you got all of your cake batter into your pan, we are going to shake it, move it around a little bit, get it into all the corners, and make sure it cooks nice and evenly. You know, you don't want a deformed cake for your grandma's birthday or something. Okay, so next we put our cake batter into the oven, trying not to burn myself because I was screaming like a little bit. And we put it on our top rack. Ooh. My house! My job! After you get in the oven, set your timer for 28 minutes. Can I get it right on the dot? Oh, I can take it. And we press start. So, meanwhile the cake is baking, I'm gonna hit some emotes for my fans. And my lovely brother here being a big Eden. So they're not gonna see me, so we're just gonna start. Okay, so our 28 minutes is done, and so let's just get the cake out of the oven. Ooh, it got a blast of heat right there, didn't it? And we're going to test if it is fully cooked by getting this toothpick. And if it comes out clean, then that means our cake is ready. So that means our cake is clean and ready to go. Finally, now that our cake is done, we turn off our oven. And our cake is done. We're gonna wait for it to cool down. And if you'd like, you can add icing or any decoration. And now we add our super secret special ingredient, which is love. And our cake is done!